Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an incredibly essential accessory for anyone relying on their Xerox DocuMate scanners, the CASI AC adapter. Specifically designed for models like the DocuMate 150, 152, 162, 250, 252, 262, and 262i, this power supply cord, also known by its Hitron HEG 422402007L designation, and Xerox part numbers 3776000 and 7499100, is a crucial component for keeping your document scanning operations running smoothly. It's a common scenario. An original power adapter gets misplaced, damaged, or simply stops working after years of faithful service. When that happens, your valuable document scanner becomes an expensive paperweight. That's where this CASI replacement steps in. This isn't just any generic power cord. It's engineered to provide the precise power requirements for these specific Xerox DocuMate document scanners. This means you can expect reliable and consistent performance, just as you would from the original equipment. The importance of a stable power supply for sensitive electronics like document scanners cannot be overstated. An unreliable adapter can lead to intermittent operation, data corruption, or even damage to the scanner itself. With the CASI AC adapter, users can rest assured that their scanner is receiving clean, steady power, allowing for efficient and uninterrupted scanning sessions. It's a straightforward plug-and-play solution, meaning there's no complicated setup involved. Simply connect it to your scanner and a power outlet, and you're ready to resume scanning those important documents. For professionals and home users alike who depend on their Xerox DocuMate scanners for digitizing paperwork, this CASI AC adapter is more than just a replacement part. It's an investment in continued productivity. It ensures that your document management workflow remains seamless, preventing frustrating downtime. If you're in need of a dependable power solution for your Xerox DocuMate 150, 152, 162, 250, 252, 262, or 262i scanner, this CASI adapter is certainly worth considering for its compatibility and reliable performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.